Hello friends, one of the latest projects that we did in our backyard is this gazebo. It's the biggest product that I have gotten off Amazon so far. It's all complete and honestly I am very happy with the outcome. It was pretty much straightforward, pretty much like assembling a big piece of furniture. It looks pretty cool. We put up some decking over here to place it on. You can put it on concrete slab or other like footers alone, whatever you plan on doing. Overall, I'd say it's a pretty good and solid structure. It's made of cedar wood, which as soon as I opened the boxes, you can smell that cedar. It was very nice. Check this out. It's pretty sturdy and it attaches at the bottom of each post. So there are 4 posts. They are 6x6 sizes. Corner support right there. The roof is sheet metal and it's pretty easy to put together the roof. Beams right here, these are all steel. Lights are not included, but that's something I got off Amazon as well. It's a solar light and string lights that are pretty cool at night. You would put this perimeter together. The back side has 3 pieces. Each side, right and left, has 2, and the front has 3 pieces as well. This metal piece holds the post together. It's got nice trim all around, both sides, all 4 sides. This is the roof right here. Very nice. And this is kind of like drainage for the roof. Also looks very cool. Measures exactly 12 feet from corner to corner at the top, and that would be the same measurement if you're measuring at the bottom trim of each post, and it goes 10 feet to the back, and exactly that. And it's pretty good, spacious area, very nice shade. It is very durable and stable, made of great materials, as I mentioned before. The sloped roof design is super nice. It's got kind of like the lean-to modern gazebo style, and the wood frame makes it very appealing. All the hardware is very nice quality, made of rust-resistant steel. All the bolts are very good quality and durable. If you're placing this on a concrete slab or on concrete footings, there are anchors that are included with this set. It comes in 4 separate boxes. They're all going to be different sizes, but they are all large. When the roof is assembled, it's got a very nice rating for a gazebo at 20 pounds per square foot, which is very strong, and it withholds inches of snow without collapsing the roof. It's 120 square feet of space from post to post, which gives you plenty of space to entertain, to enjoy, and to have a great shade. Besides the look, it is very functional. The sloped roof gives it a very nice and efficient drainage while also giving a sleek, modern appearance. Following the directions is very simple. It has pictures and instructions typed out. Honestly, it's set to have 4 people put this together. I only needed 4 people in one spot, and that was when we needed to pick up the frame to assemble the cross beams. The roof, I was able to do it by myself. This is an absolutely great place for entertainment. It has a beautiful appearance, very much adds value and functionality to your yard and to your home. If you haven't already subscribed to my channel, I would really appreciate your support if you could like this video and subscribe.